Hello, this is Arti Maharaj from Ethisphere, and in this quick tutorial, I'll be walking you through our platform called Hopin. To begin, please register for the South Asia Ethics Summit by visiting Ethisphere events and selecting South Asia Ethics Summit. Since we are unable to meet in person this year, we thought we'll bring you a close to in-person experience using the platform Hopin. With that, here are some recommendations before we get started. First, your browser. We recommend opening and accessing the Hopin platform on either Google Chrome or Firefox. Next, make sure there's a stable Wi-Fi or cable connection. And of course, technology can be unpredictable at times, so should you experience a lag in audio or video or encounter any other tech issues on the day of the summit, we advise that you refresh the page and try again. In our experience, that takes care of most of the tech glitches that can occur from time to time. To begin, if this is your first time using Hopin, each attendee should create an account by clicking Sign Up. You'll need an account in order to access the platform, and the good news is you'll need to sign up just once. You will not be required to create an account each week. If you've used Hopin before, you may simply sign in with your username and password. Prior to the event, you'll receive a reminder and a unique private link from me. And in an effort to ensure the safety and security of this platform, there will be a new link for each week of the discussions, so stay tuned to those emails. Once you've signed in, you'll see a welcome screen. Next, you'd click on the blue button on the upper right-hand side of the screen that says Join Event. Here, you'll arrive into what we like to call the reception area, which serves as a guidebook for the event. You'll see the agenda, lineup, and speakers for the day-long discussion. Click Stage, and once the event is live, you can view and listen in to the panel. Once the session is complete, you may move to the networking button. A red note will appear above the button saying Now. This is one of my personal favorites on this platform, but keep in mind the networking portion will only be available during the time highlighted on the summit's agenda. With that, to be randomly paired with someone, click on Networking, and a message will appear that asks if you're ready. Select Ready and make sure your camera and audio output are set. These sometimes use your default settings, but once you're comfortable, click Apply. Once you've clicked Apply, you'll receive the message, you'll meet the next person available. A quick side note, this can take anywhere from 1 minute to 5 minutes to pair you with another attendee. Filling out your profile with a headshot, your title, and company beforehand will help in the pairing process. Once you're paired, the networking experience will begin. Now, if you'd like to network with someone in specific, that option is also available. In order to get there, move to the right-hand side of the screen. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see the tabs Chat, Poll, and People. The People tab allows you to see other attendees at the event. You can also select a name or message someone privately, and a red dot will appear to flag that there's a message. If you'd like to network directly with someone, select their name on the People panel and click Invite to Video Call. The person will receive a link, and once you click the link, you'll move to a separate room where you can turn on the audio and video functions. Hello. Now, staying on the same column, the polls function are for the entire event. The chat function allows you to type a question to the panel. The question can be viewed by all attendees, so we ask that you mention your name and company at the end of the question. If you'd like to remain anonymous, send me your question and I'll post it to the group. And there's a question from my colleague Scarlett. Now that you've familiarized yourself with the platform, we look forward to seeing you at the South Asia Ethics Summit. Once again, this event will take place on September 10th, 17th, and 24th, starting at 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. IST. Should you have a question, you may email me at rtaarti.maharaj@ethisphere.com. Thank you.